Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Spinney, coming at you this Wednesday morning from the balcony above the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Yes, it's the 10th of April, and we're halfway through the trading week. It's officially hump day. And after yesterday's beautiful weather start, we have ourselves a little bit of a mixed day, very humid outside, and supposedly the next 2 days here in the Big Apple are going to be rainy. I hope that's not the case. You never know, but I enjoyed yesterday. Hopefully you guys did too. And right now, taking a look at the markets, I don't know if investors are liking the markets as much because following a hotter than expected CPI read, futures not pointing towards a strong open. You know what? Let's take a look right now to see how the markets are shaping up to kick off the halfway point of the trading week right here on Wall Street. Now, U.S. stock futures are lower this morning as investors take in today's inflation report, March CPI. Consumer prices that came in much hotter than expected, 0.4% for the month, 3.5% in the last 12 months, both higher than economists anticipated. In addition, the 10-year Treasury yield surging back above 4.5%, and the CME Fed Watch tool now pointing to just a 20.6% chance that the Fed will lower interest rates in June. Meanwhile, on the corporate front, Delta Airlines reporting record-setting sales for the first quarter, as well as earnings per share that beat estimates. The travel name also issuing an upbeat current quarter forecast. And then shares of semiconductor Nvidia officially in correction territory after pulling back 10% from recent highs and seeing 5 losses over the last 6 sessions. And Asian stocks, mostly in the red today, dragged lower by corporate inflation data in Japan that increased to 0.8%, in line with expectations for a third straight month. And in Europe, companies' markets, they're higher again ahead of the CPI report and Fed minutes stateside. And lastly, some advice: when it's spring outside, you better get out there and enjoy it, because just like that, it's back to winter.